Test.
Who's doing that?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The wonderful thing about speaking last is that you don't have to say much. Everybody said what needs to be said. I'd like to acknowledge, first of all, the perseverance of Renee and Calden in persisting with this tournament. We know that they had some challenges, but they persevered through that. And today, we've now seen them host a tournament in Lautoka. And for those visitors, we recently had a major cyclone, and the western part obviously has been hit the worst cyclone. So in a way, it's very uplifting. Perhaps by default, the tournament is being held here because the stadium is not available. But the fact is that it is being held here, and is very much in the hearts and minds of the public in the Western Division. It's an opportunity for them to get out of their homes and come and see a tournament. And I wish the tournament and of course the organisers all success. Thanks to the sponsors. I think it would be amiss of me not to thank the man from Ba, who is the administrator for Lautoka, Praveen Bala, because Churchill Park is perhaps one of the best grounds we've got. I just had a chat with Gordon Tidgens earlier on. He was saying it's a very, very good ground, and we know that the Churchill Park with this will get a lot of mileage and also a lot of coverage. So I thank everybody for being here. It would be amiss of me not to mention the linkage between rugby and tourism. I think for many, many years, in fact decades, the Fiji Visitors Bureau then and now Tourism Fiji has missed out on a wonderful opportunity to draw some sort of synergy between rugby and tourism, and how we can use our rugby players as ambassadors for Fiji and indeed promote Fiji, not just in terms of rugby itself for the players, but also to showcase to the rest of the world what a wonderful place Fiji is and what a wonderful group of people all Fijians are. So thank you very much to everybody, and I wish all the teams all the best for the tournament. Thank you. Naka.
Naka Wandra and the operations manager Shiri for Uprising 7. Look out for the Fiji Times, for the Uprising 7 as well. So thank you very much for them.
The guys have lived, but really look after what rugby is all about. Trying to beat Fiji in their own home country. So look forward to tomorrow. Thank you very much for the invitation.
In any other tournament, any other country in the world, and any other team, ladies and gentlemen,